Hey guys, it's been a while since the last upload, and right now I'm flying back to the Philippines, and I didn't film much in Hawaii because I was there mainly for my family and for my cousin's wedding. By the way, I got a really pretty dress for the wedding. If you want more updates of my life aside from just here on the channel, you can go follow me on Instagram. Now, to be honest with you, I probably got carried away or maybe like overwhelmed because as much as I wanted to get advice on my university life and like how it's like in this specific university that I'm attending, the main purpose of why I wanted to edit and make videos was to like share my life as a college student, just to have something to look back into in the future. And now I actually will be making more videos with my boyfriend, so it's like a slice of life into a couple in their 20s, or like a slice of life of walking into adulthood. It's the type of content I just want to share, just to like bring you along with this journey of life with me. So yeah, I hope you understand, and I hope you stick around and enjoy the rest of this video. I got the ice mocha wrap, yes, and yours is the ice vanilla latte. Yes. We're still studying the same thing. Are you still studying?
Yes.
Yes. You should have like a flasher. We've been studying here for 6 hours. We've been here for We've been here for 6 hours. But we're gonna go out to look for dinner. But I don't know where. We'll see. What are you cooking, chef? What are you cooking?
It's pork chop.
Pork chop? What's this over here?
Pork steak.
Pork steak? What's that? What are you making here?
This
Mm-hmm.
is the sauce for the pork steak.
The sauce?
Onions and boingo boingo soy sauce.
Oh, okay.
This is your usual cebuano. Cebuano sauce.
Yes. He makes the best sauce.
It's just 2 ingredients.
I know, but like you're always the one who mixes my sauce. He's so focused. He's got a whole plating going on.
Whoop.
Yay!
na tayo huwag na tayo mag-egg. I feel like that's enough.
Yes, yes, yes. Wow. Something. There's his. Yay. I'm done with my exams. Well, I'm done with the first exam, and I'm gonna eat dinner now. Here at Baguio City, it's near university. Do you have exam tomorrow?
I do. Exam more like quiz.
Oh, wow.
Wake up quiz. I did not say it was easy.
Red, well, it took too long to record, but he already ate most of it. He got kimchi rice. Yes, kimchi rice. Trust me, it had like seaweed and cucumber and a leaf. That's all I just imagine. This was like the best batch. Instead of unsalted butter, we use salted. And it's perfect. Today we are cooking. There's a camera, all good. We're cooking chili bowl. And Rex is doing the slicing. Oh, it's onions, my poor eyes. Doing the slicing. And we're making our broth. Because SM doesn't sell it. I'm gonna drain the kidney beans. Are you just gonna...
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun comes out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it low. Fucking grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, new age Machiavelli, this a ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? Why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. True numb, cry and get known, cry and get known. Hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice.